Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. On behalf of the IAU Women in Astronomy Working Group, welcome to the Women in Astronomy session here at the International Astronomical Union General Assembly meeting 2024 in Cape Town, South Africa. I'm Mamta Pomye, the chair of Women in Astronomy Working Group of the IAU Executive Committee. And it is an honor for me to see so many dedicated and passionate individuals gathered today to discuss one of the most crucial issues faced by our community today, that is gender imbalance and diversity in astronomy in particular, and STEM in general. While gender balance and diversity in astronomy are acknowledged as vital on the global level, women remain significantly underrepresented in this field. Thus, through the IAU Executive Committee Working Group on Women in Astronomy, we advocate for open and transparent dialogue to promote diversity and gender equity within our discipline. We are dedicated to supporting initiatives that enhance the representation of women in astronomy and create a more inclusive and safe working environment. During the General Assembly, the working group, along with the General Assembly SOC and LOC members, will host 3 events. On 9th August, the IAU Women in Astronomy Lunch and Mentoring session that is designed to provide a meaningful platform for mentors and mentees to openly share their experiences, challenges, and successes in navigating their career in astronomy as women. And on 12th of August, we will continue to organize this mentoring session through online session, where even the online attendees could participate and benefit. A dedicated session of talks is scheduled on August 13th and 14th, and this session will feature focused talks on global efforts aimed at improving working conditions for women in astronomy. It's an opportunity for all of us to learn, contribute, and take actionable steps within our institutes to create a safer working environment. For detailed session schedule, please visit our website. In line with our commitment to equity, diversity, and inclusion, I also urge you to take part in the Gender Equity Survey organized by the IAU Women in Astronomy Working Group. This survey is essential for providing a comprehensive overview of global efforts being carried out by institutions worldwide to ensure equal opportunities for all genders in astronomy. We extend our gratitude, finally, to SOC and LOC members of the General Assembly for their immense efforts and outstanding work in organizing this session. And finally, along with our team members of 15 organizing committee members spread worldwide, and as chair of the working group and the initiator of STEM Ambassador Recognition Award, I am proud to announce that we are launching a STEM Ambassador Recognition Award for the first time in the history of the IAU since its founding in 1919 in this General Assembly, and South Africa is the best place to do that. This initiative was made possible under the considerate and progressive leadership of Professor Deborah M. Green, an exemplary model of the positive impact of women in leadership positions, and the very supportive executive members. This award aims to recognize and honor at least 5 individuals from diverse backgrounds who are strong advocates for gender balance in astronomy and have significantly contributed to bridging the gender gap in our community. So thank you very much, everyone, for your valuable participation and for being a part of this important event. Together, we can join efforts to build a more inclusive and diverse community in astronomy. Enjoy your lunch session and the discussions to follow. Best regards, Mamta.